Hello guys, welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Monarchs from Theory11. There are variations, V1 and V2s, but not taking that into consideration. I've got the full set here. Some are sealed, some are open, and for the purpose of the review I'm not going to be opening a gold set just to show you the variants, but I will focus on the ones I have got open, which are the three at the top here. So we have the gold, very beautiful. We have the Now You See Me 2 special editions, in black and silver. We have the white gold Monarchs. The greens, we have the red, the blues and the silvers, and we'll focus on the silvers today. So here we have the tuck case, and it's a very beautiful, very elegant design. It really stands out, especially in the gold, especially contrasting with some of the darker colours, but this silver is just so beautiful. So if I hold it at an angle, you can see just how delicate that silver inlay is there. And I mean, it is embossed for most of the deck. I mean, a lot of the smaller, slightly more delicate areas have got a very low level, but you can feel the gradient, especially where the ink's been put into that. So on the side, we've got United States Playing Card Company, established in 1867, made in the United States of America. On the back here, it's got that delicate silver again, very beautiful, and it's got the telltale Monarch back there, which we'll look at further in the deck. So on this side, air cushion finish made in the USA. Neighbourhood Studio, got a little line across the top there. And we've got the Monarchs, high quality playing cards made in the United States of America. And as I said, there's various degrees of embossing. So this is embossed, all of this is sort of inlaid, and all of this has a very delicate inlay as we go into it. You've got the skull behind the seal with the two daggers going into it, which you can't see, but I will show you on another deck. And you've got produced and distributed by Theory11, Las Vegas. Inside the flap, I'm not sure what this says or what this means, but it is in that silver metallic ink again. So this obviously I have used. Two jokers, identical, great for magic. Yeah, Theory11 advertising card. You get a double backer. Now I appreciate that I'm doing this review quite zoomed in, which is not my usual style, but I really want to show these off because they are so beautiful. So we've got standard faces. Court cards are custom coloured. It's like a very nice gold. It's not quite metallic on here. It's more of like a browny gold, but it's just a very nice, regal, elegant look to it. The hearts are slightly darker than you'd expect from a standard face. More on the edge of maroon, a bit like the Shin Lim cards that have just come out. There's the Ace of Spades there, and it's just absolutely phenomenal. That gold crown in the middle there. The inlay, which kind of represents what's on the tuck case. Trademark, United States Playing Card Company. So it's standard faces throughout. There's a custom coloured court. It's a very standard deck, but the collectability in them is just in how beautiful they are. Theory11, they did an incredible job with this deck. So it's got this really beautiful back design here. You've got the sort of snakes that curve around this beautiful tree. They're very sort of rudimentary designs. There's no real detail in them, but it just adds to the beauty of them. You've got a sword that meets somewhere in the middle, but you can't actually see the point in which the sword meets. And you've got this beautiful branches around the outside. The borders are just phenomenal, very nice. And then you have this writing here, which looks to be in Latin. So into the handling, it's just phenomenal, as you'd expect. I'm not going to muck about too much with these because they are very rare. Yeah, they're just a phenomenal deck of cards. I do have some others here that are out, which I can show. So these are the greens. These are the jokers I've taken out of a green deck that I did demolish. So despite the fact I haven't got one open, you can see what the green looks like here. The blues here. Look at them, and it's almost black. It's kind of what I'd expect the Now You See Me deck to look like. Looking at the reds, which I have open here, and you can just see how beautiful these cards are. So let's get these out of the way. So yeah, overall, I thoroughly recommend the Monarchs. They are hard to get hold of. You know, the reds and the blues, the greens are relatively easy to get hold of. Like the silvers or the golds, you're looking at shelling out maybe $100 plus, which is a lot of cash. It's a lot of money for someone, you know, especially if you're going to use them and enjoy them. It's probably not the best deck to buy. The reds and greens, they are relatively really well priced. Obviously, when these come out, I think they're about $10 or something along those lines. But they were just so popular that everyone bought them. Yeah, the Monarchs. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.